Can you explain the difference between a patent pending and a patent issued?
Yeah, so a patent pending is, you can say patent pending when you have a patent application on file, when you filed a patent application with the USPTO. So that can be either a provisional or a non-provisional. Once you have that on file, you can say patent pending. A patent issued is only at the very end of the process. When you filed your patent, the patent office has examined it, and then they've actually issued you a patent. That's when you can say, that's when you have an issued patent. Kind of similar to trademarks, right? The difference between the encircled R and the TM symbol. Yeah.
Yep, that's exactly right. We tell clients when they get that application serial number, even before we even apply for the trademark, they can use that TM symbol, but they can only use that circle R symbol when they receive an actual registration number from the USPTO, which typically is about 14 months after the application.
Can take a bit,
yeah.
Right?
Yeah, it's crazy how long it's been taking these patents and trademarks to get through. Despite the USPTO hiring 800 patent examiners this last year, something like that. Yeah. And like another 100.
Yeah, I've heard 800. I've heard they have over 8,000 examiners now.
That's a lot.
Yeah. So on the patent side of things, it's typically on the patent side of things, it'll typically take you several years to go from patent pending to patent issued. Sometimes longer. If you're in a hot technology area like AI, it's probably going to be even longer than 2 years.
I will say though, we have had some success with fast track, track one, and first time filer applications getting to the front of the line.
Cool.
Seen patents get filed and issued in the same year. Not saying that's going to happen for everybody, but there are ways to expedite and get it done fast. But by and large, you're right on, Troy. That's exactly what I've experienced too.
I wish we had that fast track at the on the trademark side. They
should. All they gotta say, inventors pay us a couple extra grand, and we'll put you to the front. That's a great moneymaker. I'll pass that along to.
Yeah. They should do something like that. The closest thing we had to that was like during COVID. If you had like a COVID related product or service, right, and you could, try to get to the front of the line, for exigent circumstances essentially.